It's like tweaking a motor. Oh, listen to that thing purr. Hey everyone, welcome. My name is Robbie, and this is the Robbie Board Show called Low Buck Bike Builds. And today I am going to set up a jack shaft. I just come up with this idea with a jack shaft. What I did was I cut a hub in half, and I got a pipe that fits nicely over it, and we're gonna make one. So the reason I'm building this jack shaft is because I'm building a bike called the Tandem Tall, which I'll show you right there. The Tandem Tall. That's the one that's gonna need the jack shaft. So I gotta build that one and get it all lined up so I can weld the back frames on it today. Probably going to do that later on today, but today I want to build a jack shaft. I'm going to show you how I think, in theory, this will work. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and let's see if it's going to work. I hope it works. Get a nice clean slice cut with the new one. All right, I'll put that over there. All right. Hey, we got it in half. Oh, let's might as well cut this baby up. Okay, cut that in half. Now, we got to figure out the length of the tube that I need to build for this. So, we'll just get I love this thing. Best thing I ever bought. This is clean. See, it's a nice, really good tight fit. So it's not going to give it, you're not going to have that wobble in it. All right. This one, nice tight fit. Okay, now I'm going to give it enough axle so I can thread it. I don't need that on there. So what I'm going to do, this is just a guesstimate. I should have it right if I'm correct. Right there. So if I go like this, and then this one right there. Yep, that's gonna work. So 14. This is stainless steel, so I don't care. It was free. All right. Some people say this is not gonna work because the force on it. I don't know. There's no force. There's no wheel. You're not putting heavy force on it. You're only using it to spread a load of the chain. So you're splitting the chain up. People say it might not work. It will work, and who knows. So put that in there. This one like this. Let me see if I made it long enough. So we're gonna go with that. All right, so I've drilled little holes. So we're gonna tack it in and see if we got enough clearance here. All right, fire in the hole. All right, let's just clean those up a little bit. Okay, just to make them a little bit bigger. All right. Because my welds are too big, it won't fit. we go. Oh, I got enough. Perfect. So I still need to weld it more, but there we go. I should have enough. Yes. Okay. Perfect. All right. My next door neighbor's calling me. I call her Grandma. She's giving me cabbage rolls. I know it. They're fucking good. Come in. She gave me and pork sausages. Oh, these are gonna be great for lunch. All right, so now I got the axle done. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna clean these all up. And what I'm gonna use is these little paint stripper ones, these little 2-inch ones. Zoom, 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 and it's done. All right, I got these all prepped up for welding, so I'm going to weld them to the ends here like this. And I found a cog. I have to, because it won't fit over this way, I don't want to grind this all out and oval it out and then make it, it's going to pedal weird. Sorry, it's going to roll wrong. So I'm just going to do it on the inside and I'm just going to weld it. I'm just going to weld it on because I don't have enough meat on this one to drill holes through here because it's probably going to end up breaking. I'd have to go buy some really, really tiny bolts, but it's not going to work. So you know what? We're just going to fucking weld it. Yep. Weld it. Weld it. Yep. Just weld it. Yep. Just weld it. All right. So we'll get this one done. All right, got it all welded up. The reason I welded this on was because my flange is not big enough. I don't have a large diameter flange hub that I could cut up. Most of the ones I have are aluminum, and I don't have aluminum weld. So we're just gonna go with that and see how that works. It's a little bit warm. I'm just gonna put some grease in her and put it together and see if it works. Just setting my bearings. That seems to be okay. I'll put this on. Well, there you have it, folks. It's not quite lined up over there. I still gotta, today my goal is to get this frame welded in and a BB put on that. I can weld a tab here. And that's basically how it's gonna look, folks. Alright. It's fucking working, people. It's working. It's working. There he goes. There he goes.